Have you ever used a credit card and felt like everything is easy? Let me show you the truth using just one banana. Imagine you are hungry and you want a banana, but you don't have money. Then the bank comes and says, "Don't worry, take this banana now. You can pay later." So you take the banana, you eat it, and you feel happy. No stress, no pain. This is exactly how a credit card feels. Easy, fast, and comfortable. But now, let's go to tomorrow. The bank comes back, and the bank says, "Give me back my banana, plus a small piece." You are surprised. You say, "Why should I give you more?" The bank says, "That is the cost of using my money." This small piece is called interest. So what do you do next? You use the credit card again. This time, you take 2 bananas. Again, easy. Again, no pain. But tomorrow comes again. Now the bank says, "Give me 2 bananas, plus bigger pieces." Now you start to feel pressure, but it's too late, because now you don't have enough bananas. So what do? You borrow again to pay the old debt. Slowly, something dangerous happens. You are not eating bananas anymore. You are working for the bank. This is how people become trapped in debt. Not because they are stupid, but because it felt easy in the beginning. Credit cards are not bad. They are powerful tools. But if you don't understand them, they can control your life. So next time you use a credit card, ask yourself, can I pay this back without losing my bananas? If the answer is no, don't take the banana. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Zollbridge Finance.